Okay, so I just wanted to give a quick and dirty overview of this 3D printed guide roller. So this here. I designed it so that it could have a height adjustable base so that I can get good accurate 90-degree cuts on my bandsaw here. The base is, as I said, height adjustable, has 4 holes in it so you can screw it down to a table or bolt it down to a steel table, something like that. The roller itself has got 20mm bearings in it, 2, one at either end. The shaft at the moment is currently 3D printed, as I'm going to swap it out in the future for a 6mm threaded bar. It also uses 3D printed circlips to retain the bearings in place. So the only things you need to worry about buying are the bearings themselves and some screws or bolts if you want to fix it to a table or a workbench. And that's it. There is, however, this base plate here. I'll have more instructions about how to assemble it in the description, but essentially it is printed flat and folded up. But each end is folded up to 90 degrees and then glued in place. I then used a rubber band to hold it in the position that I needed to while the glue was setting. You could assemble the entire shaft and bolt the whole thing together to then hold them at the right angle. There are little spaces in here to keep it centered, but that's up to you. I just used the rubber bands and it worked out fine for me.